What use does onions have that's useful for the body that will help boosts flavor, immunity, digestion, as hold? Onions are extremely useful for the body, both for health and flavor. They've been used for thousands of years as food and natural medicine. Here's a clear, practical breakdown of how onions help boost flavor, immunity, digestion, and overall health. Health benefits of onions. 1. Boost flavor. Naturally enhances food. Onions add depth, sweetness, and savory. Umami flavor. Cooking onions releases natural sugars, improving taste without extra salt or fat. Raw onions add sharpness. Cooked onions become sweet and rich. Benefit: better tasting meals with fewer unhealthy additives. 2. Strengthen the immune system. Onions contain powerful compounds. Quercetin, an antioxidant that reduces inflammation and supports immunity. Sulfur compounds help fight bacteria and viruses. Vitamin C supports white blood cell function. Benefit: helps the body defend against colds, flu, and infections. 3. Improve digestion and gut health. Rich in prebiotics, especially inulin, which feeds healthy gut bacteria, supports smoother digestion and nutrient absorption, helps prevent constipation. Benefit: stronger gut microbiome and improved digestive balance. 4. Reduce inflammation. Antioxidants in onions help calm chronic inflammation, may reduce joint pain and inflammation-related conditions. Benefit: supports long-term wellness and recovery. 5. Support heart health. Helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL. Improves blood circulation. May help regulate blood pressure. Benefit: reduced risk of heart disease. 6. Help regulate blood sugar. Sulfur compounds may improve insulin sensitivity. Beneficial for people with diabetes or prediabetes. Benefit: more stable energy levels. 7. Support bone health. Certain compounds help improve bone density, especially helpful for older adults. Benefit: stronger bones and reduced fracture risk. 8. Natural detox support. Stimulates liver enzymes that help remove toxins. Encourages healthy sweating and elimination. Benefit: helps cleanse the body naturally. Types of onions and their benefits. Red onions, highest in antioxidants. Yellow onions, best all around for cooking. White onions, milder, good for digestion. Green onions, scallions, rich in vitamins A and K. Best ways to use onions for health: raw, maximum immune and antioxidant benefits. Lightly cooked, easier digestion, still nutritious. Caramelized, flavor boost, less vitamin C, but rich taste, warning things to know too much raw onion may cause gas, or bloating for sensitive stomachs. Cooking reduces irritation, but keeps most benefits. Now, what I'm going to tell you, what's in summery onions, can in fact boost your heavy checkmark boost flavors to your mouth, causes your taste buds are cells on your tongue that allow you to perceive tastes, including sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Taste buds regenerate approximately every 10 days, which means injured taste buds usually repair on their own naturally. Heavy checkmark, strengthen immunity. Heavy checkmark, improve digestion. Heavy checkmark, support heart and gut health. Heavy checkmark, reduce inflammation. Heavy checkmark, aid detoxification. They're affordable, powerful, and one of the most beneficial everyday foods. If you'd like, I can also suggest onion-based remedies, share recipes for immune support, compare onions to garlic or ginger, or create a faith-based food stewardship reflection.